Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa flour. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need raw quinoa, a fine mesh sieve, and a powerful blender or coffee grinder. Start by measuring out your quinoa. For example, 1 cup of quinoa typically yields about 1.5 cups of flour. This simple process allows you to create fresh, gluten-free flour right in your own kitchen, perfect for baking or thickening. Next, it's crucial to rinse your quinoa. Place it in a fine mesh sieve and rinse under cold running water for at least 2 minutes. This removes saponins, which cause a bitter flavor. After rinsing, spread the quinoa in a single layer on a baking sheet. Let it air dry completely for several hours, or use an oven set to its lowest temperature, around 150 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Ensure it is completely dry before grinding. Once your quinoa is completely dry, it's time to grind it into flour. Transfer the dried quinoa to a high-speed blender or a dedicated coffee grinder. Process it on high speed for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until it achieves a very fine, powdery consistency. You might need to pause and shake the blender a few times to ensure even grinding. For an extra fine flour, sift it through a fine mesh sieve and regrind any larger pieces. Your homemade quinoa flour is now ready. Store it in an airtight container in a cool, dark pantry for up to 3 months, or in the refrigerator for up to 6 months to maintain its freshness. This versatile flour is excellent for gluten-free baking, adding a nutty flavor and extra protein to your recipes. You can substitute up to 1/4 of the wheat flour in many recipes with your fresh quinoa flour for a healthier twist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.